please light our way.
Now, I would like to call Abad Ilahi from grade 10 for speech.
In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which is given by me is Defense Day. First of all, respected Principal Sir, I want to explain the meaning of defense. It means to protect, to save or rescue one's life, honor or property. But over here, the meaning of defense is entirely different from the above mentioned clause. As all of you know, we are celebrating 59th Defense Day of Pakistan. My dear fellows, we celebrate this day in the memory of those beloved and brave soldiers who fought bravery and died in the Indo-Pak War of 1965 and made successful defense of Lahore and other important cities of Pakistan. My dear fellows, I know that you are all aware the historical significance of this day. On 6 September 1965, at 5 a.m., Indian Army attacked Pakistan from Lahore Barki sector. This 5-week war caused thousands of casualties on both sides. It ended in a ceasefire. Respected Principal Sahib, Pakistan Army officers sacrificed their life and were awarded with a Nishan-e-Haider for their act of exceptional bravery. A lots of programs are organized every year on Defense Day. Pakistan military forces arrange different exhibitions and show off armors and artillery. National songs and documentaries about 6 September are displayed on TV. Respected Principal Sir, the spirit of September 1965 is still live in our hearts, and I can proudly say because of this we have come up successful many times. Alhamdulillah, our armed forces professional excellence, combat readiness, and above all their unwavering in Allah has made Pakistan. My dear fellows, it makes me happy to say that we have achieved our self-reliance in the field of defense. We have successfully defeated terrorism, extremism, and now we are on the path toward economic prosperity. Lastly, I would once again pay homage to our great heroes who sacrificed their life for the motherland. We will play our role in safeguarding the sovereignty, security, and prosperity of our country. Thanks of all. Pakistan Zindabad. Pakistan Armed Forces Zindabad.